Okay, boys. So this is a second part of the same topic, working of a computer. Now I'm hoping that all of you have learned what is the meaning of input, process, output, and what is an IPO cycle. Now we will study this IPO cycle in relation with the computer. What is the input, process, output for a computer? Input is a way of communication with computer. We enter data and instructions into the computer as inputs. We can enter input through input devices. Input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone. Second part is the processing part. Processing means working on the data according to the given instructions. Data and instructions are provided as input. CPU processes the data. The third part is the output, which is the information or final result. We can see output on output devices. Output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, etc. When we provide input to the computer, there have to be two parts to the input. One is the data, like in the example, the data is the numbers 4 and 2. The other part is the instruction. That is, we have to tell the computer that what it had to do with the data. Here the instruction is add. In the processing phase, CPU will add 4 and 2. 6 is the result or final output. Boys, I am taking one more example to make you understand the input, process, output cycle. In this example, 3 numbers are given as data and the instruction is to arrange in ascending order. We all know what is ascending order, from small to big. In the processing, the CPU will arrange the number in ascending order as per the instructions. So we'll get the answer as arranging of the numbers, that is the final output, which is in ascending order. So boys, this was all about working of a computer. I hope you have learned it very carefully. Please go through the video once more to understand the input, process, output cycle of a computer. Thank you for today.